Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to solve Advent of Code day 6 problem, which is tuning treble. So this problem is basically a sliding window type problem, but before solving this problem, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do. It really helps me keep motivated to make new videos. So now let's move to the problem. So in this problem you will be given one a string, and you have to find uh, a unique window, unique character window from where and return the end index of that unique character window. So for example, if you take this string as an example, then then if you can see here, it is B. So let me just draw. So here first character is B. Now move to the next character, which is V. Now W and B. Since we have told to find the window of 4 unique character, but if you can see, when we reach to character number 4, then B is repeating in that case. So now what we will do, we will move to the next character and increment the right increment the right pointers, next pointer. Okay, so my current left pointer is at 1 and right pointer is 0 1 2 3. So now I will move right pointer to 4. Okay, so in that case it will be J, and if you compare, so we have now a VWBJ, and in this window we don't have any character which is repeating. So now at the end we have to return the right pointer plus 1. Right pointer, why right pointer plus 1? Because it is considering one index string, and we are using 0 index string, so that's why we have to return right pointer plus 1. Okay, so the answer will be 4 plus 1, which will be 5. So in this case answer is 5. Now let me take you another example. So in this example we have n. So first declare left pointer to 0, right pointer to 0. Now add n to the window. So n is in the window. Now add p. So in this case 0 to 1, right will be 1. Now add again p. So here right will be what? Right will be 2, but in this case p is repeating. So what we will do, we will increment the left pointer and decrement the value of p whatever we have get. So here if we see, if we move n this left pointer to next pointer, again total number of p is 2. So again we have to move left to next pointer. So here if we see, now p is currently only 1. Now what we will do, again we will increment right pointer. So again in this case we will increment right pointer. So now right pointer will be here and it will pointing to 3. Okay, now we have p and d in the window. Now again we will add v. Right pointer will be 4. Now again we will add j. Right pointer will be 5. And if you see p, d, v, j, all characters are unique. So we will return 5 plus 1 as an output. So which will be 6. Okay. So this is how it is currently working. So in this problem, part 1 problem, we have to find the window where window endpoint where all 4 characters are unique. Means 4 characters are unique. So this is how it is working. So if you have understood this problem, now let me walk you through the code. So code I have already written, so I'm not clearing this apart. So let me just explain you through the code. So I have created one function which is called get unique window. So here I'm just reading the file and getting the all input a string. So if you can see input a string, here we have lots and lots of characters. Okay, now I have input character here. I have declared one window. So window, as I have told, I have declared one window. Now I have declared two pointer, which is left pointer and right pointer as declared here. Both are pointing to 0. So here if you can see, both are pointing to 0. Initially both are pointing to 0. So here it is both pointing to 0. Now I have written one loop, while loop, and written r less than length of input. So why I have written a right pointer? So I was incrementing right pointer to the into the string. Okay, so that's why I have written this loop. And now I am counting the character value. So here if you can take this example nppdvj, so here I'm just counting character value. So if character value is greater than 1, in that case I have written this loop. So if character value is greater than 1, then I'm just I'm incrementing the left pointer and decrementing the value of that character from that window. So you can see here, so I'm just decrementing the left character value from the window and incrementing the left pointer. Okay, so if this condition satisfied, like if it is equal to means less or equal to 1, then this loop will end. And here I'm just checking if the window length, so window length r minus l plus 1. Why plus 1? I have told you, because it is considering 0 index. And if it is equal to the length of the window, length I have passed as a variable. So if it is equal to length of the variable, length of the window, then just return right pointer plus 1. So here I was returning right pointer plus 1, right? So just return right pointer plus 1. Otherwise increment right pointer to the next pointer. So this is how code is written. So for the first part I have just passed 4 because it is expecting 4 character as a unique window. Okay, so now let me just run this program. Okay, so first let me just clear my screen. Okay, let me just run it. It is okay. I have to switch to the directory day 6. Okay, so for the first part it is giving output 1238. If you can check, it is 1238. And for the part 2 it is again similar, but here it is expecting 14 distinct character as a window. Okay, so it is expecting 14 distinct character in the window. Okay, so that's why I have passed 14 as a length of the window. Okay, so if you can check, so I'm getting 3037 for the part 2 output. So here if you can check, it is 3037, which is the correct output. Okay, so this problem was quite simple if you know about the sliding window principle. So thank you so much for watching. I am going to link this problem into the description below. You can check the code as well. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.